Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. So let's keep up with the euro currency. In a weekly report we have discussed some short-term bullish patterns that have been formed last week, and we said that this week market could challenge again the 118 top. It stands right here. At the same time, the challenging of the 118 could become the turning point in the short-term price behavior, and maybe particular by this action, market could proceed high to the 120, 121 area that we are talking about in relation to the weekly hand shoulders pattern that we have. Despite that, market shows a bit heavy price action here, so it's just can't get started the upward action right up from the 115 lows. It's long time had been spent inside of this triangle, but currently market has got the chance on the possible breakout, and as you can see, bullish grabber has been formed. Some bullish patterns on the intraday charts have been formed. So we said that this week will be under the sign of possible breakout of the 119 top, and market slowly but stubbornly is moving higher, and in general it's really not bad chance that indeed this will happen on this week. Currently it's difficult to suggest whether some fundamental moment will support to this possible breakout or not, but technically everything looks more or less positive currently, and we still keep our short-term bullish scenario that probably 118 top could be taken out. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we haven't got any retracement that we have suggested in the weekly report. So if you remember, we mostly was watching for possible retracement right from here, because here was the kind of the hand shoulder shape, and we said, well, it's perfect if market will show the minor retracement to the 1650 area, somewhere from this area to form the bottom of the right arm. It will give us the possible hand shoulders, and we could take into position with the bullish grabber with the upward continuation. But take a look, that hasn't happened. This market just straight up continuation on Monday. So what level that we could keep an eye on and where retracement really could start? So personally, I think that could become this top, because this is very significant, important top. Right from this top, the plunge down has started. It stands at 1757, and market is standing to this area. Also, by taking the shape of this price action, it seems that retracement could start right from here, and it could show retracement back to the 1690. This will be approximately the same bottom. So again, here is the kind of the hand shoulders could be formed. I'm not calling this the classical pattern, just point you the shape. So let's, if you don't like the hand shoulders name, so you could just talk about the possible retracement here after the C point will be hit. This point, guys, is also important because this is actually the validation point of this ABCD pattern. Previously we have mentioned, take a look here, that market hasn't quite reached the XOP. So when and if market will taken out of the C point, the ABCD will be cancelled, and that's why it will be not important for us whether the XOP had been hit or not, because the C point will be eliminated and the ABCD pattern will be vanished. That's why the C point has another special meaning. Right now we stand on the way to this target, and probably it should be hit within the few hours. So since we haven't got any chance to take the position on this rally up, probably a chance will appear when the market will hit the 1755, and I hope that we will get this retracement down. On the hourly chart, it's take some more details. So take a look here, we have minor ABC bottom pattern. So this BC retracement is very small, but this is a response to the first leg here, subside. OP target will stand at 1753, so it agrees with this top, as this ABCD will be hit. Let's take a look there. This level 117 is based not on the current top, but I intentionally keep valid this trend line, so these levels are based on the OP target on this top. So as soon as market will reach it, I just have built the in advance these levels, and you can see the 117 coincides with the weekly pivot point and approximately equals to the previous lows around the B point of our ABCD on the 4-hour time frame chart. So this will be a freight retracement. It's very probable, and this will keep some harmony on this price action. Maybe that kind of controls we will get. So that being said, currently we are watching for reaching 1755 approximately first, then some moderate retracement to the downside. It will be perfect if it will be kind of the ABCD retracements. We could get, for example, Gartner steeple to sell in the same manner. Gartner steeple to buy, of course. Here was the Gartner steeple to sell, and here we could get the Gartner steeple to buy. This will be very good. Also, in general, as you can see, sentiment stands bullish because market stands above the weekly pivot point, above the monthly pivot point. So everything stands very good. As you can see, this upward action takes the shape of the thrusting action. So as you can see, long candles to the upside. Here is also. So this short-term intraday bullish sentiment stands very nice. So that's what we'll be watching for, and I hope this opportunity taking the position around 117 we will get. So let's see how situation will develop.